Hi, I'm Dorian Payne, Coleg Gwent alumni and owner and managing director of a company called Castell Group, which is a high-growth construction company with over £120 million of forward-sold contracts relating to social, affordable and disabled adapted housing throughout South Wales. And here are my 4 key aspects of business that I've discovered along the way. Number 1 is strategy. You need to have a real defined focus and purpose of your business and understand, is there a gap in the market for what you're doing? For example, with my company, there's a social housing crisis. There's over 1 million people on the housing waiting list. There's a problem that needs to be solved. When you consider your business, you need to identify the strategy. Where are you going and why are you going there? Number 2, you need to have the right people. So you need to be on the right bus, which is part of strategy. Then you need to have the right people sat on the right seats. Simple analogy, but what that means is that you need to identify those key people that can help you get, with their skills, help you get to achieve that strategy and really understand how to help them work to their strengths, because that will get you so much further than just by yourself. The third step is execution. Once you understand where you're going, you need to understand how you're going to get there. And execution is all about data. So you understand every single point of your business, all the processes and all the systems and the people involved. You need to measure your data and you need to work out about how to be more efficient, how to track that data and how to know when you're off course. And last but not least, it's all about cash, finance. So I've got an accounting background, so that was easier for me. But if you're not a fan of numbers, unfortunately, you're gonna have to get somebody around you or you're gonna have to learn to love it, because cash is king in this business. And once you understand how your business works and the money it needs for the growth that you wanna get, and you can really understand that business model, not just in terms of how you deliver your products, but the cash impact of every decision that your business makes, that's what you'll need to succeed as your business grows. So if you can master those 4 points, you'll do very well.